everybody, if you're new here, I'm Jaslyn and this is my brother Armaan. And today we are going to be building with magnet tiles. There's 200 pieces and I organized them all because it makes it so much easier, and I love organizing stuff, and this is going to make it move so much quicker. And there's all shapes and sizes. These are big squares, there's small squares, big triangles, small triangles, and all these different things. And we're going to be challenging ourselves to make this castle. It has so many different shapes and so many different sizes. And so me and my brother are going to be working together and making this beautiful castle. So it looks like they're at the bottom they're using big squares. So we're going to go ahead and use big squares too. Just like that. You can put them in a line. Stand it up.
And I'll feel glass.
And then
The white glass.
we can go with orange on this, just like that. And then this can go here. And this will go there. So we have our line. And now we're gonna go for the bottom of our castle. So here we'll go with greens. Go like that, and then later we'll stand it up. And then we'll have orange here, and then we'll have to make the red big square on this side because I guess we don't know where it is. So we'll get these squares and we're gonna the reds. So I'm gonna get one more red, and now I made a big square with 4 small squares. And now we can stand these 2 up. And maybe we can stand these ones up too. Just like that. And then we'll stand this one up. And can you hold these? Okay, now we're holding them. And I'll just get the bottom reds for the bottom so it can stand. So we got the bottom reds.
The sides.
Huh?
Sides.
The sides.
You have to hold them up.
Oh.
Yeah. Hold it at the end.
Oh, I'll get those. So, uh-oh.
Fell. It's getting falling.
So now we just fixed our castle and we made it 3 instead. So now we're just gonna keep on going. We're gonna pick this one up. Help me pick it up. And then I think for the side, can you hold this side? Okay, and I think for the sides, we hold it tight. And then for the sides, I guess we can do, how about yellow, orange, red, and then green. Just so
Make it stand up.
can you hold this too? And then we can go yellow, and then orange, red, and then green. And now we'll make this side stand up. So maybe you can try letting go. Oh, now it's standing. That's so cool. But now this, how about we do the blue at the top? We could do blue for the top, like in the middle of the top. So the top can be blue, and then we can do the same for this side. So we need green, and then we need orange and red. Orange and red for this side. Can you hold this blue so it doesn't fall? we're just gonna go like, maybe we can go like this, so it doesn't.
I can't do that.
Okay, so I got it. And so this looks like it's not stabilized much. Maybe we can try with all 4 squares. If it doesn't work, I guess we can go up to hold it a little bit. Better. Up. And now we're gonna go yellow up on this side. Put yellow on the top for this side. And then for this side, we can go green. And then this side, we can go red. And then orange. And then we'll put maybe all of it here. But we'll figure a way out. So you're going to put green here. That's good. And then maybe we can use the red. Orange here. So I wonder if you guys like our castle. We're just gonna keep on building. Well, and now we can make this a blue side, so we can put those 2 here. I think we're doing pretty good on this. And we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna do this. Oh, we can't do one more. Guys, how Maggie's house at home? Are you following what we do? Whoa! That's so cool. How did we do that? And then we can do this side green, I think. This side we can actually do not green. We can try doing this side a different color.
When?
No. Well, we need to finish this side. If there's 4 red, we need to finish this side with red.
I can make it.
Well, how about we just do this side rainbow? Get all the different colors. Rainbow! And now I'm just gonna make these to stable the roof with ones that have windows in them. And then I'll use those to stabilize the roof, and I'm gonna put these on them. Go around with these to them. Because I think we're good. They're going like this.
You have to go up, stabilize it. Up. On the bottom, all the way up.
It looks like they might have used it too. That's actually a good idea. We could do that. So I think we're going to follow theirs. So what they did is they did the same thing that we're doing right now. But what they did that is different is that they actually, instead of putting just a square, they put, can I have one? They didn't put a square. So we're going to try doing what they did because that's creative, what they did. And using one more here. And what they did is, even though a square would fit up there, they didn't put a square, but they went with these. So you can try using those. These are stuck. And put orange, and then blue. Wow, that's beautiful.
How do I take that?
Okay, so we'll leave that. And now, what do you want to do for this one?
And first, what I can make.
Well, this one we can leave. And then this one we can make it maybe just a little shorter by using those. Oh, I have a good idea. If I just want to see if it works. So I'm using these squares. And we're going to leave this empty with just squares. Then here what we're going to do, we're not going to leave it empty, even though I'm putting squares here. Hey, it's falling.
Why?
Oh, it's okay.
Because we need these to stabilize it up.
Okay, so I think we can use these. That's a good idea.
But we need these to stabilize it up.
No, we don't. I think we got it now.
It's still going up.
Wow. How is this even still standing? I think this is good, but I think it'll be better if we layered it again and we made another layer of it. And it made it look so cool.
Right here.
Yeah, we put a square right there, and we layered this one. And we could use, oh, and then we can use these spiky things for the top of this one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, spiky. Voila!
How about
We don't need those. And then this could be a deck and people could build up here. So now we are finished making with our castle. We just put a little design up here. And this is how we were trying to make it, but I know we made some changes and that made it just a little bit more for us. But I love it how it turned out anyways. So thank you, Armaan, for working with me and making this beautiful castle. I had so much fun making this castle with you guys. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like my videos. Bye. Remember, have some fun.